Downloading your account data from Chase Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access and save your financial information. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account activity. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the main menu. Click on it to view your account summary, then select the specific account for which you want to download data. Step 3. Access download options. Look for an option labeled Statement or Account Activity. Click on this option to access your transaction history and statements. Step 4. Choose the data format. Select the desired format for your download, such as CSV, PDF, or Excel. This will depend on how you plan to use the data. Step 5. Download the data. After selecting the format, click on the Download button. The file will be saved to your device, allowing you to access your account data whenever needed. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from Chase Bank. Make sure to keep your financial information secure after downloading.